Prioritize the changes that cut heating and cooling losses first so you get the biggest savings for the least cost. Start with attic insulation and air sealing because heat moves upward and small gaps add up to large losses. Add the recommended insulation depth for your climate and seal gaps around plumbing, wiring, and chimneys using low-cost materials like caulk and foam, and check attic hatch and duct sealing with a simple smoke test from a stick of incense. Next, replace an old heating system with a right-sized, high-efficiency model and tune combustion appliances. Have a professional perform a load calculation so you do not oversize equipment which wastes energy and money. Upgrade to light-emitting diode bulbs throughout the house and choose the correct color temperature and lumen output for each room to keep lighting comfortable while cutting lighting loads dramatically. Install a programmable or smart thermostat and set conservative setbacks for unoccupied hours to reduce runtime without loss of comfort. And if you have zone needs, use thermostatic radiator valves or zone dampers to avoid heating unused spaces. When selecting measures, compare estimated annual energy savings versus upfront cost to calculate simple payback in years, and prioritize items under a 5-year payback first to stretch a limited budget. Keep a maintenance plan so seals, filters, and controls continue to perform and real-world savings match projections. 3 common mistakes slow progress and erode savings. First, adding solar or other renewable systems before tightening the building envelope wastes generation potential and increases system size and cost, so get insulation and air sealing done first. Second, oversized heating and cooling equipment cycles frequently and reduces efficiency, so always do a load calculation and right-size equipment. Third, doing partial measures without addressing controls or distribution leads to uneven comfort and lower savings, so pair insulation upgrades with thermostat programming and duct sealing to capture full benefit. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who want work and helps contractors find projects that match their skills. We host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and learn which budget-friendly energy measures have the best payback.